Hello everyone, welcome to Bio Ocean, and this is me Sheetal Maria with you, and we are here to let you people aware about the International Tiger Day, which we all celebrate today on the 29th of July every year. And as we all know, tigers are on the verge of extinction, and probably otherwise possibly we are all responsible for the same. And we have initiated so much of mitigation management strategies for their conservation, but still we have to go a lot more for their conservation. And as we are celebrating the International Tiger Day today, it is very important to aware about some of the facts, otherwise aware about some of the knowledge regarding the same. So that is what we are going to deal today. And let's get into the video. Before that, if any one of you are new to my channel, please go and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you can get the notifications whenever I upload a video. And as these all celebrated days have a kind of slogan, here too International Tiger Day to have a slogan, and this year the slogan is the survival in our hands. The slogan itself portray a message of mitigation, portray our responsibility that we have to do something for their conservation, for their existence, for their survival and all. We all are responsible for their current situation, and hence we are all responsible. We are supposed to do something for their survival. So this year's slogan is like survival is in our hands, so that we all have to like develop a certain knowledge that we have to do something for that. Otherwise there won't be any animal or any species existing within 2025 with this name. So we have to do something, we have to initiate something that is primarily necessary. And this day, which we celebrate as International Tiger Day, was built up on 2010 at St. Petersburg Tiger Summit in Russia. And as we all know, the scientific name is Panthera tigris, and the major conservation project that we are undertaking nowadays is Project Tiger, which was initiated in 1973. And majorly, the number of tigers in India is about 2,967 according to the census of 2018. And in India, the highest number of tiger is present in Madhya Pradesh with a count of 526. And the total tiger reserves in India is about 50. And one of the major achievement that India has made is the number of population, otherwise the population size have been doubled, which is the target that to be reached by 2022. And here in India, the smallest tiger reserve is Boat Tiger Reserve, and the largest one is Nagarjuna Sagar Sri Sailam Tiger Reserve. It was Satyamangalam Tiger Reserve of Tamil Nadu who achieved the Best Managed Tiger Reserve Award, and contradictory to all these stuffs, the highest number of tigers in the world is owned by China. And Tiger Census report of 2018 states that 70% of the tiger population is India, and it was one of the largest camera trap wildlife survey and which set a Guinness record. One of the major development that is going to be occur in these areas is in Nandhaur Wildlife Sanctuary of Himachal Pradesh, which is going to be declared as a tiger cell, as well as Radhapani Wildlife Sanctuary of Madhya Pradesh and Guru Ghasidas National Park are going to be declared as tiger reserve for aiming about for the better protection of the tigers. And all about this happy stuffs, India is considered as the biggest suppliers of tiger body in the world, which is such a hectic news to listen. And this makes us more and more aware about what the status of tigers are in India and how are they doing, and what all we should implement for the survival, because we have our own consciousness, we have our own common sense to get off from our predators, get our basic needs and all those stuff, but these animals don't. And we too are considered to be the promoters of, otherwise we too are considered as the key agents who are like making their life this much miserable. So it is our own responsibility to make sure that they are having a proper survival, and let us pledge that we should do something up to our abilities for the same. I hope you all find this video very much informative, and if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, comment your suggestions, and share it to your friends and others who are interested to learn biology and learn something facts and knowledge about biology. And see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. God bless. Thank you.